to buy Steam gift card online. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will see how we can purchase a Steam gift card online. So without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, open up a browser and in the search bar type in Steam gift card please. After that, head towards the first link in your interface. Now you'll be taken in this page. So once you're here, now you can choose the gift card amount. Here, first of all, select the reason, and under that, select the value. Click on this drop down and select your value, and then the dollar amount of that value will be shown in this interface right here. So according to your preferences, you can choose a value, and once done, click on Buy Now button. Now you have to enter the contact information and select the payment method. You can send the gift card directly to a friend by entering their Steam username or email address. And ensure the recipient has a Steam account. So once you have entered your email address, here under that, select your preferred payment method. That may be your credit card, your mobile wallet, bank transfer. So according to your preferred choice, you can choose this as well. Once done, click on purchase. After that, your gift card will be delivered to the recipient immediately or at the scheduled time. Now once you have your gift card or code, you can log into your Steam account, go to the account settings and add funds. Then tap or click on redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code, and then you have to enter the code and confirm. Now during this process, you have to avoid some scams. You can only buy from some official retailers or verified sellers. Avoid deals that seem to be good to be true. Do not share your gift card publicly. And in this way, you can buy or purchase the Steam gift card online. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.